Hello everyone, we're here to celebrate the AAPI month. My name is Lu, I'm from the Global Learning Development team.
My name is Bofan, I'm also from the same team as Lu.
And my name is Raylan Passamani, Executive Assistant in HR.
So we're here to make dumplings today. Yay!
Let's get started!
Let's get started!
Yeah, so Bofan and Lu, would you like to share a few fun facts about some of the traditions?
Of dumplings?
Yes.
Yeah, so I think with dumplings, it really brings a lot of my childhood memory. Whenever we're in the Lunar New Year celebration, my grandparents would always make dumplings. It's one of the main dishes for our family gathering party. What about you, Bofan?
Definitely same for me. And I feel like because nowadays people are super busy, so it's really difficult to make dumplings from scratch. So it made the Lunar New Year tradition, of making dumplings all together even more special.
So, what are the steps of making dumplings?
Pretty simple, only 3 steps in total. So step number 1 will be having your dumpling wrap ready.
Step number 2 is to make a filling.
And step number 3, we take all the ingredients as well as all of the spices and we combine them together to put in one of the wraps.
Yeah. Yes, the dumpling wraps and wrap them together.
Yes. So for step number 1, which is having the wraps, usually traditionally, people make everything from scratch with, the powder and water. But for this demo purpose, or if you want to do something quick and easy at home, you can easily buy these type of wraps from any Asian supermarket. And then when it comes to this, there are 2 options. What you want to get is these round-shaped ones because they're made for dumplings. But you can also find the rectangle ones, which is perfect for wontons. So if you have this ready, you nailed step number 1. Now, Lu, what's step number 2?
Yeah, so step number 2 is to prepare the filling. For today's demonstration purpose, we're making pork together with green onions and shrimp. So the next step is to put everything in this bowl, and I'm gonna introducing you all different spices and sauce. Green onions is in now, and then we have the shrimp. Okay, so now everything is inside the bowl. We have the pork, the shrimp, and green onions. The next step, I'm gonna show you how to mix the filling with all the spices and sauce. That's the most important part because that's all the flavor comes from, right? So the first thing we're gonna do is the 5 spice powder. So for me, sometimes I put this a little bit more depending on how strong you want the flavor to be. And this is actually a very good taste, the 5 spice powder. There you go, Miss Bofan. And then we have the dried pepper, the pepper powder. This is where I put like a little bit, not too much, because it will give you a very strong flavor. And that's that. And then this is the oyster sauce. Oyster sauce is the best. So this, because oyster sauce already have salt in it, so be careful, don't put too much. And then if you're not sure, I would ask you to use a spoon. Put on the spoon first, and then you can just pull in. For this demonstration, I would probably use 2 spoons of oyster sauce. So next would be soy sauce. Soy sauce also has salt in it, so be careful with the amount. For our demonstration, I will add 3 spoons. So this is 1, 2, and 3. Then we have salt, little bit, because soy sauce and oyster sauce already have salt in it. So we just mix them together. Okay, so now we're gonna mix them nicely.
So Raylan, what's your favorite flavor when it comes to the filling?
I like the vegetarian option with the chives. Those are actually my favorite and go-to.
Yeah.
As well as the pork. I definitely like the pork as well.
Yeah, pork and chives are my favorites. But there are so much different combinations you can find at the supermarket. For example, there's corn with pork, corn with, cabbage and pork, or shrimp, and, even a lot of different vegetarian options.
Yeah. So, Lou,
Yeah.
so folks want to make this at home. Can you tell the audience where they can find the ingredients? Can it be found in any grocery store?
Oh yeah, I mean, we bought this all from 99 Ranch.
Okay.
I think we have a lot of different locations in the Bay Area with 99 Ranch Market, and just be creative. I mean, with dumplings fillings, you can just put the things that you like, right? The meat of your choice, the vegetables of your choice, and play around. Maybe you can create your own flavor, right? Your own fillings. So I think I'm almost done with mixing everything together. So one of the things that I would let you guys know that for the best filling, you can also use a glove put on your hand, which I'm gonna do right now, and then mix with your hand. That creates a better, balanced flavor. I would do like clockwise motion. Like that.
Yeah, that really, mixed all the flavor into the meat and then the vegetables.
Yes.
It's looking good.
Yeah.
It smells good. I can smell it from here.
Yeah.
Can you smell it? Okay, I think we're almost there. So the next part would be start to make the dumplings. Thank you, Raylene. Do you want to show them how to make it?
Yeah, let's do it together. And then since Raylan's here, we're gonna also show her, and then she's gonna follow along.
Now we have the filling ready. Let's make dumplings.
All right, let the fun begin.
Yes, let's do it. So first, you will grab your wrap, put it on the center of your hand, and then you can grab a small spoon and take roughly half spoon of the filling. You want get a good combination of meat, the green onions or any vegetables of your choice, and then put it at the center of the dumpling wrap. And it's better, pro tips, just press it down a little bit so it's easier to wrap. And then, because we're using these pre-made wraps, we bought from the supermarket, so sometimes the edges are not sticky enough. So in that case, you will need a small bowl of water and dip it with your hand or your finger. Just round it through the edge of the wrap so that it creates some stickiness.
Yes.
So it's easier for you when you wrap it.
Okay.
So after you're done, just fold the wrap in half, and then at the tip, press it down so it stick together.
That's
Right?
not too bad.
Good job, Raylan. And then you want to switch your hand, and then one side use this part of your hand, and then close it up.
Squeeze it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. And then you want to squeeze it,
Okay.
and then in the meantime, you want to do the same thing for the other side.
Okay.
So your fingers at the edge of the wrap. Yes, there we go. And then the next step will be just press it down really hard.
Press it down.
Yes. Alrighty. Now you have it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Do I
it's
have
not that
to squish it together?
No, you don't.
No?
Yeah, as
Okay.
long as it's closed, and then when you boil it, the
Yes.
fillings doesn't come out.
Oh.
That is good enough.
I made my first dumpling.
Yeah, good job.
Let's make more.
Yes.
Sometimes if we have leftover dumplings, we can also make pan-fried pop stickers. Yeah, that's also very yummy.
Yeah, I know that's one of the most popular dishes in the any Chinese restaurants. Will be
Yeah.
the fried pot stickers or fried buns.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Who doesn't like fried food?
Yeah. It's always
That's
good.
true. How many do you have now?
We're fast, right?
Yeah.
Really? You did good for your first time here? That's really good.
Yeah.
Still working. This,
Yeah.
it's, mine look a little different, but I think they'll look all the same.
It will taste the same.
It'll taste the same.
Yeah.
For sure. Now the dumplings are ready. they're here. We made all the dumplings.
Good job, ladies.
Yeah.
So the next step would be to either boil the dumplings or put them into steamer. So for our purpose, we're gonna put in a steamer for 25 minutes. Let's come back in 25 minutes.
Can't wait to enjoy it.
Yes, excited.
Okay, ladies, let's try it. So to enhance the flavor, you can also get these dipping sauce from any Asian supermarket. It basically has all the ingredients or seasoning that you need in this little bottle. It will, make the dumpling experience more enjoyable. Let's do it.
Okay.
Okay. So we just dip it right in the sauce, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
If you like stronger flavor, dip more. If you like it light, just dip a little bit.
Okay.
I'll try a little bit.
Alrighty. Happy AAPI month.
We hope you enjoy our tutorial. Make some dumplings.